I finished building it, now I can demonstrate how energy flows from one conductor to another conductor. As you can see, I have these steel pliers over here, and these lights are connected to wires that are connected to the copper wires. So these copper wires are now going to be being transferred the electricity from here to here. So let's test it out. So the batteries are our main power source, and the energy is going to our pliers. So when we do this, the energy goes to the light. So it transfers from here to here through the copper wires, which go back there. So that also works for the yellow light, as you can see, and it also works for the green light. You can see it's working for the green light. Now, how does this work? This is because this part is a conductor, which allows electricity or heat to flow through it, and these are conductors as well. So the electricity is being transferred from this one to this wire, as you can see, and now it powers on. So yeah, that's how the transfer of electricity works.